Hello friends, Aneeq is here with you from Perfumes. Today we do a review of one of most famous, classy and iconic fragrance, which is BLEU de Chanel, from the house of Chanel. First of all, let's discuss something about the history of BLEU de Chanel. So BLEU de Chanel was first time launched in 2010 as eau de toilette concentration by Jacques Polch. Jacques Polch was in-house perfumer at Chanel that time. And then after 4 years, means in 2014, Jacques Paul formulate eau de parfum variant, which I have now in my hand. And then recently in 2018, a parfum variant was formulated by his son Olivier Paul with the same DNA as eau de toilette and eau de parfum concentration, with the same DNA. So if you have any fragrance from BLEU de Chanel, you don't need to switch it to the other fragrance. Like if you have eau de toilette concentration, you don't need to switch it with the parfum or eau de parfum variant. But yeah, if you are buying this for the first time, then you can choose any one according to your choice. Now, if we discuss about its presentation, I don't have the box of this fragrance now, but I put the picture here so you can see how it looks. And if we talk about the inner bottle, so a very elegant bottle. It's a square blackish or dark blue color of bottle, a square shape, and the edges at the corner, these curves make this fragrance more elegant. And if we talk about the content, the written here, the content in white color for eau de parfum and eau de toilette concentration, and for the parfum variant, this content color is changed with the golden one. And at the bottom or at the base of the fragrance, you find some detail about this fragrance. And if you twist your bottle, you can find here the batch code for their perfume, which is here 7704. If you can see in the camera, 7704, which is manufactured in late 2014. If we talk about the sprayer, so sprayer is really nice. In my fragrance, this color is changed because, as I tell you, this is a very old perfume. So once it's break from me, so I change this color. That's why this cap is now not coming so fixed, but still it's working absolutely perfect for me. And if we talk about this cap, it's a metallic cap which has a Chanel logo at the top, and also inside the cap, if you can see here, inside the cap, you can also find a Chanel logo. Now, if we discuss about the notes, that how this fragrance smell. So let's spray something. So if we talk about the notes of this fragrance, so initially when you smell this, you find a very prominent note of grapefruit. Now grapefruit is the thing for which BLEU de Chanel is famous. BLEU de Chanel is famous for their grapefruit notes. The use of grapefruit in this fragrance is perfectly on the next level, with some citrusy notes like bergamot and lemon, which make this fragrance something citrusy, fruity fragrance. And if we talk about the middle notes, in middle notes, this fragrance become give you fragrance something like a warm spices like coriander and ginger, and use of nutmeg in this fragrance is very nice. Now nutmeg is also smells like spicy, but some sweet, spicy sweet is give you fragrance. And the use of some floral notes in this fragrance make this fragrance a spicy floral. The use of jasmine as a flower here, very nice. And if we talk about the base note of this fragrance, so in the base note, this fragrance become ambery, woody, sandalwoody or creamy type of fragrance. And use of patchouli in the base note make it little bit herbally, but the use of incense in his base note is very high quality. This incense, use of incense in this fragrance is not give you feel of synthetic incense at all. This use of incense give you a very pure and original type of incense smell, as it smells from the when you burn this incense. And this incense note is very sweet and creamy type of note, so which is very famous also for this fragrance. I give this perfume 10 out of 10 for its fragrance, one of my most favorite perfume. If you apply this perfume, you will get more compliments. So if we talk about for whom this fragrance is most suitable, so this is a masculine man fragrance. So but this fragrance is very versatile, so you can wear this fragrance at any time, like day or night, at any season, summer or winter, any occasion like weddings, parties, gathering, anywhere. But this fragrance is more suitable for formal activities like interviews or meeting, office, etc., because this fragrance gives you a very confident vibe, which makes you more presentable. Now if we discuss about the price range, so this fragrance is available in something 500 to 550 dirham in UAE, so I think price is little higher. And if we talk about the performances this fragrance, so this fragrance gives you longevity of up to 5 to 7 hours, that's all. So I think this performance also not able to justify its higher price, because if you compare this fragrance with any other fragrance with the same price range and the same category, like I have a Dior Sauvage here. If I compare this fragrance with Dior Sauvage, these both fragrances are designer category. These both fragrances are approximately same price, but Dior Sauvage gives you 2 times more longevity than BLEU DE CHANEL. So keep this point in your mind before buying BLEU DE CHANEL. So that's all for today. I hope you're all the curious about BLEU DE CHANEL is clear now. But still, if you want to ask me anything, you can ask in a comment section below. Please like this video, do comment, keep sharing our videos, subscribe to our channel to become our YouTube family. See you next video. Thank you.